Nakaka-relate ako Kai kasi na-ACL din ako
Research speaker, the research person.
Kailan ka na-ACL? Kailan mo na-ACL?
2020, bro.
Ako last year.
lang, oh my gosh.
Left ka ba?
Left
Left din ako. Si Kai parang left din
Left din,
Parang left din
O, edi, relate na kayo lahat. Go!
Si Sel na lang, si Sel.
Okay, wag! Ganun ba kaya? Kayo naman eh.
Well, obviously, I second what yung sa sinabi ni Kyle na masakit talaga yung kawalan ni Kai. Seeing the stats and how he's playing for Gilas. How he played for Gilas last year.
Yeah.
Talagang ano siya, if you were to take a look at those stats, yung points, he was number 2 in our team. Sa rebounds, number 1 siya. Sa assists, number 3 siya. Number 3 for a big man. Sa blocks per game, he was number 1 also in our team. So, and against one of the best or probably top 20 team in the world, New Zealand, he had 19 points, 10 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 steal, and 2 blocks. Mabigat yung...
Double-double.
Oo, di ba? And when you look at when he played back in FIBA OQT, na-injure siya no second game. So, if you were to take the first game na nanalo tayo against a world number 6 at that time, which is Latvia, ang ganda rin ng pinakita niya, 18 points, 8 rebound, 1 assist, 1 block. So basically, what you're losing here is mawawalan tayo ng isang player that can play at a high level against the top teams in the world. Right. Even if he's only just 22 years old, bata pa to compared dun sa mga ibang teammates niya. Now, as much as we want to look at it na sinasabi ni Coach Tim ko na, you know, we have Japet Aguilar and a bunch of players that can fill in for Kai. As much as gusto natin maging positive yung outlook natin, mahirap palitan ng isang Kai Soto.